top of your page 93, I wrote it kind of small. I'll give you time to copy it, but this is what I want you to do. I have 8 graphs here, and they're actually 8 rational functions. 1 over x squared, or x the second, third, and fourth. They're all over under in 1. And on this side, the only difference is it's negative 1. We're okay? Partner A, you're going to graph yellow using Desmos. And then partner B, you're going to graph the pink. And then you guys can just copy each other's graphs. But the big idea is I want you to figure out, is there a pattern you notice based on a positive or negative or an even or an odd degree? Okay? I'm going to give you guys 6 minutes to do that. And then we're going to check back in on you. Alright, you guys had 6 to 8 minutes to graph these. If you haven't had time already, go ahead and do that now. I'll press pause. And then you guys are supposed to figure out a pattern. So this is what my students came up with. Okay, this student has, I believe, all the negatives. Let's see if we can find one that has all the positives. It's nice, we can line these up actually. That's a 4, huh? So what patterns can we see? Class, is this an even or an odd? This is an odd exponent degree. And you will always start down and then the top right. But what did the negative do? Switched it or flipped it. Okay, question. Which axis do you think it reflected it over? The x-axis. Okay? That's back to our transformations, as that actually will be Monday's lesson. So you'll recognize that all of the odds do the same thing, right? Same. And then it just reflected over it. So instead of quadrant 1, you'll be in quadrant 3. Instead of quadrant, 4. Instead of quadrant 3, it reflects it over to quadrant 2. Going across the x-axis. And then the evens look like a volcano. And then the negative sign just flips it over again, the x-axis. Now, we did this exercise so that you can start getting familiar with the characteristics. So once you see a odd degree, you should look like this. And if you have an even degree, then you should have 2 even sides like a volcano.